MP4Convert is a free online tool designed for converting video files quickly and efficiently. On the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and straightforward interface. Right at the top, there's a big button inviting you to upload your files. MP4Convert supports a wide range of video formats including MP4, AVI, MOV, MKV, and more. The upload process is pretty straightforward. You either drag and drop your files or select them manually. Once uploaded, you get options to choose the output format. MP4Convert also offers features like compression, audio extraction, and even simple video editing tools, but only to a limited extent. The conversion process itself is quite fast, depending on your internet speed and file size. One thing to note is that MP4Convert has some limitations. The free version allows you to convert files, but there's usually a cap on file size, and sometimes even on the number of conversions you can do within a certain time frame. While it's a decent option for quick conversions, if you have large files or need batch processing, you might find the restrictions frustrating. Another issue is that the website displays ads, which can be slightly intrusive, but understandable since it's a free tool. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. MP4Convert does its job well for simple and straightforward conversions. The quality of the converted files is generally good, and the process is hassle-free. However, it's not the most feature-rich tool out there, especially when compared to premium software options. It's definitely worth considering if you need a quick fix or occasional conversion, but not if you require advanced editing features or frequent, large-scale conversions. Overall, MP4Convert is a handy tool for casual users looking for a free way to convert files without installing any software. If you're only converting files occasionally and don't need high-end features, this platform could be a lifesaver. But if you're looking for something more professional, you might want to explore paid alternatives. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more detailed reviews on useful online tools.